Namaskar, hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss installation and setup of Primavera. This chapter is subdivided into three categories: system requirement, installation setup, installation configurations. System requirement. Before installation of Primavera P6, you have to check your hardware requirement, software requirement and network requirement. In Oracle website, for installation of Primavera P6, minimum hardware requirement has been mentioned. You can check it. Before installation of Primavera P6, some software has to be installed in your operating system. Don't worry, when we download the Primavera P6, the supporting software will be installed automatically. To download and install the software, you have to have an internet connection. Please check your internet connection before start the installation process. Installation step. To install Primavera P6, you have to download Primavera P6 first, then run the installer and accept the license agreement. Select installation type and complete the installation. After installation, you have to configure your database. In this regard, it is stated that the Primavera is a database software. That is, Primavera is run based on certain database software. Every task performed in the Primavera is being saved in the concerned database. So database configuration is very important to run the Primavera properly. Let's jump into the software installation process. To download Primavera P6, you have to open your web browser and type eDelivery Oracle and click on it. In the first result, you have to click on it. Now eDeliveryOracle.com web page will be opened. In this web page, there are two options. You have to sign in or you have to create your account. If you do not have an account, you have to click on create account option. This will be open create your Oracle account web page. This is a simple form. You have to fill up it and then finally click on create account button. Your Oracle account will be created automatically. The creation of account in Oracle is totally free. If you have already an account, then go to Oracle eDelivery website and click on sign in button. I have already an account in Oracle and this will bring into my own account. In the search button, you have to type P6. Then you have to click on P6 Pro. In the result area, you have to choose your own version. Like I am going to download Primavera P6 23.12. To download it, just click on the result area. Now you have to go to view item and click the continue button. You have to select the Microsoft Windows 64-bit options and click on continue button. You have to check this box to accept the Oracle license agreement. Then you have to click on continue button. To download Primavera P6, you have to click on this zip file and download will start automatically. After download the Primavera P6 software, you can move into your desktop. This is the setup file. You have to unzip it. Now right click on the setup file and run as administrator. Click on advanced tab and click OK. You have to ensure that all box should be checked properly and then click next button and then click install button. Now installation of Primavera P6 has been completed. Now we have to configure our database. To do so, please check on run database configuration and click OK. This will bring into database configuration windows. When you first time install Primavera P6, this type of database name will not be appeared in your database configuration windows. For that, I will delete all the database name. Now click on add button. Driver type, you have to choose Primavera P6 standalone SQLite database. Rename the database click on Add a new standalone database and connection. Click Next. Login name. You may change the login name or you may kept admin as your login name. Enter a password. Remember this password during opening the Primavera P6. Yes, currency details and click Next. You can save your database as per default location or you may change your location as per your requirement. In this time, I will check the load sample data. By doing this, Primavera will automatically load preloaded projects in the database and save the button and press OK. Now I add additional database. You can add several database in the Primavera as per your requirement. Click on Add button and follow the step as already described in this video. In this time, I uncheck Load Sample Data box. Now we have two databases, Primavera 23, Primavera 24. Now close the database configuration. To open Primavera, click on your search button and type Primavera P6. In the Advanced tab, I just click on it and select database type Primavera 24. Enter the password and click on Connect button. Click OK. You can see there is no project is available in this database. Now close the software. Reopen it. In this time, I'll select Primavera 23 database. Enter the password and press on Connect button. Press OK. Now you can see in the project area, there are several projects is being loaded automatically. This is all about the installation process of Primavera P6. धन्यवाद.